Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this word problem using power law of logarithms. As per the problem, the amount A an investment is worth as a function of time t in years is given by A at t equals 500 times 1.07 to the power t. In part A, we have to find the value of the investment initially and after 4 years. Let's start with part A. The value of the investment initially is the value of the investment at the beginning of time. So we should sub in t as 0 in the given equation for the value of investment. We have to find the value of A at 0. 1.07 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 500 times 1 is equal to 500. This is the initial value of the investment and the unit is dollars. Next, we have to find the value of the investment after 4 years. In the given formula, t represents time in years, so we should sub in t as 4 in the given equation for value of investment. One point zero seven to the power 4 is equal to 1.310796. 500 times 1.310796 is equal to 655.40. Rounded to 2 decimal places and the unit is dollars. This is the value of the investment after 4 years. So we are done with part A. Now we can answer part B. How long will it take the investment to double and triple in value? In part A, we found that the initial value of the investment is $500. So in the first part, we have to find how long it will take for the investment to increase from 500 to $1,000 because 1,000 is double the value of 500. So we should sub in A at t as 1,000 on the left side of the equation and solve for t. The variable t is on the right side of this equation and it's the exponent on 1.07. So the first step is to get rid of 500. We should divide both sides by 500. Thousand over 500 is equal to 2. We have to find the value of t. We cannot get the same base on both sides of this equation because we cannot write 2 as a power of 1.07. So we have to use logarithms to find the value of t. We should apply log to both sides. Next, we should use the power law of logarithms to move the exponent t to the front of the log term. Next, we should divide both sides by log 1.07. We can use a calculator to evaluate this fraction. I got 10.2 rounded to one decimal place and the unit is years. So it will take 10.2 years for the investment to double. Next, we can solve for the time it will take the investment to triple. The initial value of the investment is $500, so the triple value will be $1,500. We should sub in A at T as 1500 on the left side of the given equation. We have to solve for T. T is the exponent on 1.07, so we should get rid of 500 by dividing both sides by 500. 1500 over 500 is equal to 3. We cannot get the same base on both sides of the equation because we cannot write 3 as a power of 1.07. So we have to use logarithms to solve this equation. We should apply log to both sides. Next, we should use power law of logarithms to move the exponent t to the front of the log term. Next, we should divide both sides by log 1.07. We can use a calculator to evaluate this fraction. I got 16.2 rounded to one decimal place and the unit is years. So it will take 16.2 years for the investment to triple in value. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.